right. So here's Tesla right here. By the way, if you're scalping, not 2-minute EWOers, isn't this a perfect opportunity to buy scalpers? Calls on support, puts on resistance.
On resistance.
Yes, coach. That's why I sold my put there.
So there you go. So if you're scalping, that is your setup. If you're in the 2-minute EWO, we're still in it. By the way, I'm back up over $100 on those again, right? Now, you guys should have shed here on the pullback, 50%. It came down here. Nobody should have been sweating because you're not a bunch of babies. You're going to be turning into professional millionaire traders, right? Or just being very successful. So this doesn't scare you. This is garbage. You bought here. You're still up. Even if it comes back, stop panicking. You guys still have 50% in here. Let it run. Let it run. Leave it alone. I only bought 2. I'm going to let it run forever. What did I say? No fear. I'm in a great position size. Great position size means I am not going to blink at all. It doesn't even faze me. Does that make sense, everybody? Are we all on the same page on this 2-minute EWO trade we're all doing together?
Yep.
Good.